Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a popsicle stick plane. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 6 to 8 standard popsicle sticks, a reliable craft glue that dries clear, a ruler for precise measurements, and a craft knife for cutting. Also, have some sandpaper ready for smoothing edges and your choice of paint or markers for decorating your finished plane. Ensure you have a clean workspace. Now, let's build the fuselage. Take 2 popsicle sticks and glue them together lengthwise, overlapping slightly to create a longer, stronger central body. Make sure they are perfectly aligned and straight to ensure your plane flies true. Apply a thin, even layer of glue and press them firmly. It's crucial to let this joint dry completely before moving on to the next steps, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we'll add the wings and tail. For the main wings, glue 1 popsicle stick horizontally to each side of the fuselage. Position them approximately 1/3 of the way from the front. For the tail, cut 1 stick in half to create a vertical fin and a horizontal stabilizer. Glue these pieces to the rear of the fuselage, forming a T-shape. Ensure all attachments are secure and straight for optimal flight. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and decoration. Use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges on your plane, giving it a professional and safe finish. Now, unleash your creativity. Decorate your popsicle stick plane with paint, markers, or even small stickers to make it uniquely yours. Once decorated, let everything dry thoroughly before it's made in flight. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.